Hello, grade 3. Today is the project. So the project is looking at unit 7. We are going to look at the prepositions. Do you remember? In, on, at. You are going to make a project on A4 paper. There will be 4 pictures that you have to draw. There is no writing, okay? There is no writing. You just have to speak. Now it will be the same. It will be a video using your phone camera or your iPad or the camera on your computer. It's up to you, okay? Alai go dai, but you must make me a video. The same as the last video, it must be 1 minute, nung nati, or 2 minutes long. I don't want it to be very, very short, okay? And I don't want it to be very, very long. Okay, so in this video I am going to tell you what I want, and I will help you by giving you words and sentences for you to think about. Now I want you to think of your own words and sentences, okay? Kip tam tua eng, okay? But I will help you. I will give you lots of words to think about. Now there are 3 prepositions, aren't there? In, on, at. But I want 4 pictures and 4 sentences for you to speak. That means picture number 4, you use one of these 2 times. So you can use in 2 times, or at 2 times, or on 2 times. Only one, okay? So your 4 pictures might be in, on, at, in. In, on, at, at. In, on, at, on. Up to you. 4 pictures, 4 sentences. Do you understand? Okay, right. No workbook today, no student book, no homework, but you do need your headphones. If you have them, please watch this video very carefully, okay? And then hopefully at the end, you will understand the project. We will talk about this in the online meetings on Google Chat, okay? Google Meetings. Don't worry, any problems, you can talk to me. Okay, that's it. Watch the video, have fun, and I will see you at the end. Okay, today we're going to look at the project video. This is a project that you are going to make. You did it before, remember. You used your camera on your phone or your iPad, and you talked for 1 minute to 2 minutes. You did some drawing, you made something with some paper, and then you showed me. That's what we're going to do this time. So what are you going to need? Here are the things you need. You need a pencil to draw, coloured pencils to colour your pictures, a ruler to draw some lines, your student book to help you if you want to read about the words that you have to say in the video. You need A4 paper. You just need 1 sheet, 1 piece, okay? A phone camera or an iPad. Now, the phone camera and iPad you are going to use to make your video. You will take the video with the camera, okay? Remember, the video must be 1 minute to 2 minutes long. So these are all the things you need for this project. Okay, let's pretend that this is your A4 paper. You are going to draw 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these are photographs. I don't want photographs. Do you understand? I don't want photographs. I want you to draw the pictures with your pencil and colour them with your coloured pencils or your pens or your crayons. Okay, but this is where the pictures will go on your paper. Okay, so the paper goes long ways. We're not going to do it up and down. We are going to draw across the paper. Okay, so you will give me 4 pictures. The pictures will be about time. You will tell me 4 actions that you do in time. We'll talk about that. So to make your project paper, you are going to need A4 paper, a pencil to draw your 4 pictures, coloured pencils or crayons or coloured pens to colour your project. I do not want black and white, okay? No black and white. And a ruler to draw the lines. You can see the lines here. One line goes up and down, and one line goes from one side to the other side. And what do we get? We get 4 boxes. This is where you will draw your 4 pictures. Okay, now your video needs an introduction and an outro. An outro is the bye-bye. So for the introduction, I want you to say something like, hello, my name is Tom. I am 10 years old. I am at Patai Udom Suksa School. My class is 3/11 and this is my video project. So that is your introduction, that's your hello. Then you show the project. So you say picture number 1. On Sunday, I go to football. Picture number 2. Picture number 3, picture number 4, and you speak your sentences, okay? When you have finished, then you can do what we call the outro, which is the bye-bye. So you can say, thank you for watching my project. I hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye. Okay? All of that must be 1 minute or up to 2 minutes. Okay, don't make it short and don't make it long. Between 1 minute, nung nati, and 2 minutes. Okay, so that is what I want you to do when you make the video. Okay, if you are not sure, we will talk about it at the Google meeting. You can ask me any questions you like. Shall we look at what you have to do? Yeah? Okay. Now the project is about the prepositions of time. They are the 3 small words that we learned from unit number 7. They tell us when something happens, an action, when it happens in time. Let's look at the 3 words. In, you remember? Of course you do. When do we say in? We use it with months, so January, February, March. We use it with years, 2011, 2017, or this year, 2022. We use it with part of the day, a part of the day that has a start and a finish. So we can say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night time. So these are all the times we use the word in. Let's look at the next one. On. So we use on with days of the week. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, blah, 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 blah. You know the days of the week. Yes, you do. Okay, so we use it anytime you see the word day, D-A-Y, we will use on. We also use it for special days, Wan Piset, on Halloween, on Mother's Day, on Earth Day. On Earth Day, I plant trees. On Mother's Day, I give my mother flowers. On Halloween, I wear a vampire costume. We also use it with dates, Wan Ti. Remember, a date must have a number. So here we see the 5th. What is that? Wan Ti Ha. And then we see another date that has a month, June, and the 24th. Now we are not looking at June, are we? We are not thinking about June. We are thinking about that number, วันที่ So we say on June 24th. On, remember, we use for 1 day, just 1 day. If you look at the one that says June 24th, we know there is only one วันที่24 in June. There is only one. There is only one in the year. One day, that is June 24th. So we use on. Okay, what's the last one? At. Yes, at. At we use real time. So here we can say at 11 p.m. At 9 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. We also use at for parts of the day that happen one time. So in one day, this part of the day only happens one time. At breakfast, I brush my teeth. At lunchtime, I eat tom yum goong. At noon, the sun is very hot. At midnight, the owls are hooting in the trees. Hoo hoo. Okay, so we use at for time, and we use at for those parts of the day that happen one time in 24 hours. Okay? Don't forget you have student book page 81 to help you if you cannot remember, if you need to look at something quickly. Here they are, all of the prepositions of time, at, on, in, and there are examples to help you remember. Okay, now the examples here, like December 15th, you could change that to your birthday, couldn't you? You could change Monday to Friday. You could change Halloween to Valentine's Day. You can change all of the times with at, and in you can change anything you like. You can change all of the months to a month you like. You can change a year to the year that you do something or you did something in the past. Okay, you can change the times of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon. You can change these to when you want to talk about. Do you understand? It is up to you when you talk about something. Okay? Now, let's talk about actions. Your project is going to have 4 actions, one for each picture. Because we use in, on, at, these words help us tell the time of an action happening. So something must happen in your sentence, okay? So when you make your project, you are going to have 4 sentences. You're going to have 1 sentence for each picture. Think of some actions you can use to show what you do in time. Well, let's look at some actions. Okay, here are things we do. Remember, you do not have to use these. Okay, ไม่ต้องใช้ there are many actions. These are just to help you think maybe what you can say. What do we have? We have study, practice, eat, go to, do, make, wear, buy, run, walk, swim, wake up, write, visit, fly, learn, drink, play, get. Now you know there are many more actions. Yes? I have given you these just so you can think about maybe the sentences you are going to say, and it might help you when you think about what pictures you want to draw. Okay? Now think about what you can say. So here's on. On, remember we used the days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is 1 week. On Monday, on Tuesday, so this will be your sentence. On Tuesday, and then we need an action. On Tuesday, I practice, and now we have our object for the end of the sentence. On Tuesday, I practice English. Yeah? On Wednesday, I play football. On Saturday, I learn Chinese. Okay, you can make many sentences about what you do on one day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's up to you. But you must use on. you must use a day. Now remember, it could be Halloween or Valentine's Day. Wan Piset, we use on. Okay, think about it. Okay, so that's on. Okay, there are many you can say. I think I've told you that already. Okay, next one. Okay, so we have at. Next one is at. Now we need time because we use at with time. So you choose a time. Think about what you do in the day and when you do it. Gimong, what time do you do it? So you can say I, and then you have an action. Here are our actions, they are the same. And our objects, I've given you the same words just to think about. So you could say, at 1 o'clock, I practice Kung Fu. Or at 1 o'clock, I practice Muay Thai. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner. At 6 o'clock, I run home. It's up to you. Think about the actions you want to do. Remember, you'll have to draw a picture to go with it. In this project, there is no writing. I just want you speaking. You do not have to write on the paper. Okay, I'll say that again. You do not have to write my dong kien pasa ankrit. You do not have to write anything. You are going to look at the camera and speak. Okay, so think about how you can use at. So now we're looking at the last one, in. So here is a picture of a calendar. We know that because we are going to use in with years. The year on this calendar is 2022, isn't it? Song, soon, song, song. Or we use it with months when we say the name of the month. In January, in February, in September. Now, you can maybe talk about your birthday. So if your birthday is in July, you can say, in July, I will be 10 years old. I will have a birthday party. That's a good one. That's a long one. I like it. Okay. Or in 2021, I did not go to school. There you go. That's talking about the past. Adid. That's another good one. So if we use in, you are going to use the month name, January, February, March, or a year. Okay. So choose a date. And then we're going to say I, and then your actions, and then your object. So shall we make some? Let me think. In January, I go to my grandmother's house. In May, I will fly to Japan. In December, I will wake up late on Christmas Day. Okay, think about how you are going to use this word in and the month or the year. Then you need an action and then an object that you are doing the action with. Try to think about it. We will talk about this in the live online videos where the meetings. I will try to help you. So if you have questions, we can ask them there, okay? That's it. I hope I have explained everything clearly so that you understand. You need an A4 piece of paper. You're going to draw 2 lines to make 4 boxes. Draw 4 pictures showing you doing something, an action. And then make the video with the actions in a sentence using in, on, at. Okay? So you could have one picture with a birthday cake and it could say, in February, I will be 10 years old. It might be a picture of an aeroplane, bin. On December 31st, I will fly to Australia. There's that. It might be a picture of you eating breakfast at at 7 a.m. I eat my breakfast. Okay? Okay, don't forget we need an introduction. So you must say your name. You must say hello. Hello, my name is Trin. I am 10 years old. I am in Pattaya Udom Suksa School. My classroom is 3/7. This is my video project. Okay, and we need a goodbye. So you say, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. So we need that as well. The bye bye. Okay? Okay, any problems? We will talk about them at the Google meeting. Okay? But I hope there is no problems. But if there are, you can tell me. Okay? Have a nice day and start to think about your project. Right. Bye.